Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2006 Bluebird XL. Alright, so this is a transit style bus here, powered by the CAT C7 turbo diesel engine. So one cool thing about this bus is that it's actually a forward seating transit bus. A lot of ours are perimeter seating, which means it wraps around the interior. I'm going to show you the seating here in a little bit. We've had several of these in the lot. I think this is our last one here. We do have another transit there. That one is perimeter. But this one has all forward facing, kind of shuttle bus slash coach style seating, so a little bit different. So let's come on in here. So first thing, we do have a blue flooring, blue ribbed way, and then just the regular rubber everywhere else. We do have yellow step nosing and some nice little grip tape there. Some grab handles coming on in. All right, so driver area. First things first, going to show you some mileage here. 219,000 miles on this bad boy. Transit buses are made to go a long time, so you definitely got a lot of life left. Good powered mirrors. Here's some climate controls. AM, FM cassette stereo. This is a Allison automatic transmission. There's your shifter pad there, and your awesome little microphone here. This bus does have air conditioning, which is right up here. You can see that. You can actually turn it on there for you. It's a Thermo King system. Changes the temperature and everything. Down here, this is the control for the doors. This is actually a dual entry door transit bus. So we got one here and one back there. Hoping you can see me close this here. Hoping you can see that. There he goes. I accidentally closed this one too. I'll open this one back up for you. Alright. So it's pretty cool. Do have a brake override there. Driver dome light, and your high quality driver air conditioning system here. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so coming on here to the back, these are Friedman featherweight mid back seats. This is actually called the Carnival seat cover. I believe it's a level 5. Do have grab handles on every seat coming all the way back here. Up here we do have ceiling grab rails and these little handles so you don't lose your balance or anything. Definitely an awesome addition. Down here we do have a lift that comes out, and this is your midship passenger entry door with a nice little mirror there. We do have speakers going all the way back down. Looking good. Alright, and we got a back row of 5 here. We got a lot of emergency exits on here. We got one there, and some more up front. They are all appropriately labeled. Now these are actually fold-away seats. So as I said, there's a lift there. You can actually wheelchair passengers in here. So you just fold this down. I'm trying to do this with one hand here, and you can see if I can actually get it with one hand. I'd be very surprised if I could, but I'm trying here. So there's actually a little, you push this down, that folds down. Make sure that locks. Well, I'm having a little bit of a difficulty getting it with one hand, but it folds back up as the point, and you can put wheelchair lifts, or not wheelchair lifts, wheelchair stations there. So it's also an awesome feature. So if you don't have any wheelchair passengers, you can fold the seats back down and use them as ambulatory passengers, so you're not wasting any space. Alright, so underneath here, show you some tire tread. You got a lot of tread on these tires. They look awesome. I'm going to show you underneath. Underneath looks really, really clean, nice and good. I'm going to try to show you underneath as much as possible, because it's, considering the vintage, a pretty clean bus underneath. There's not even a whole lot of surface rust or anything like that. Looks awesome. Alright. Show you some rear tire tread here. Looking good. Alright. So as I said, CAT C7 is a 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. I'm hoping you can hear me when we start getting closer to this engine here. But here's the engine, here's your air conditioning compressor here on the right. I'm going to show you that. Looking good. CAT C7. Very clean back here. Looks awesome. There we are. show you a little bit of the body here. Body's in great shape. I mean, I don't even really see any, you know, dings or anything like that. Scratches. Paint looks awesome. Overall, that's a very clean bus. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other bus on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.